Okay, so this is Leah and Mel performing Harry Potter and the Mysterious Ticking Noise, our own version. Okay. I'm Mel. That's Mel. I'm Leah.
That's Leah.
You don't say.
Yes, I do.
Okay, here we go. What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy, to be honest with you. Snapey, Snapey, Severus Snape. Dumbledore! Snapey, Snapey, Severus Snapey. Dumbledore! Ron Weasley.
No, that's me.
Okay.
Run, Weasley. Run, Weasley. Run, Weasley.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter man. Harry Potter man. Harry Potter man.
Hermione Granger. Hermione Granger. Look at her serious face.
I found the flipping source of the flipping ticking noise that's been doing me head in all day.
It's Leah clapping.
I'm gonna die. I'm dying.
I think I did.
Okay.
Voldemort. Ah, Maud. I hurt my head. Voldemort.
Yes, she hurt her head. Goodbye.